Amandianese ninuwa onye ka mmadụ ga-achazelu ụwa dịkwa egwu onye nyanụ ụwa na-enwe mmekọ ọdọ nya kpachara anya maka netu ụmụ ụwa si adị n'anya ọ pụrụ gaba si adị n'ime ịmanụ ụmụ ụwa na-amasị ma n'enu arụ emesịa babụrụ sọ njọ n'ime arụ amụfanye na bụrụzie sọ n'iru eze uwe dozie n'iru famusabali ya mụ ọkpọbali ụkwọma emesịa n'ife ọkọtọbali n'azụ ịkwadobeze gị na n'ihi akpọzi m onye ngakpọ nwanne m onye ka ngakpọsi onye ọma ebu atụwe enu m nekene ewo akuwasi ajo ebu atụwe enu m amandianeze akuwasi ajo ebu atụwe enu m amandianeze
Yes, sir. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London. Radio Biafra London is being anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. His name is Mazi Uche Okafor-Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State. And Anambra State is Biafra land. Now, understand, Mazi Uche Okafor-Mefo is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra. And Anambra State is Biafra land, which means he has a father. Where does Shekau come from? Let's move on. Anyway, where does Buhari come from? They will say he is from Daura. Where is his mother from or his father? Daura. Their father named Daura. Everything Daura. But it's okay. Mazuichuka from F4 is the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. He's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And now, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is the prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku kingdom. Ibeku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State. And Abia State is Biafra land. This is how you describe human being. We want to describe anybody. You just talk about who they are. Oh, El-Rufai, where is he from? Dan Uju Eleba. Who is his mother? And then all of a sudden you talk about their parents. They begin to manufacture parents. Because these people are terrorists in nature. We are who we are. Nobody has been able to stand up to speak for the collective interests of the Biafran people for almost 60 years, 6 decades, until Mazen Nnamdi Kanu came. He commands our loyalty anyway. And by the special grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, I am George Onibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. Tonight, we acknowledge the Almighty Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the one who sees everything, but yet he kept quiet. Him and Andy Bogasin Oba Ketoku Juonoya. And some people are jumping up and down. You are very smart, you are very hard. Don't worry. But of course, we give him all the praise, glory, and honor. For without him, we are gone as a people. Honestly. I don't want to believe we are sinners. We are not. It may be you are. I am not. I don't want to believe that our atrocity is too high and then it's not going to forgive us. And that is why we are suffering. I'm not part of that gang. Believe me. If man has ever borne the heart of an angel, we are the one. Because if he, the Almighty Creator, will allow people like Europe to prosper with the atrocity and other nations of the world who feast on the misery on Biafra people, you have nothing to tell me about sin and forgiveness, honestly. Because some people certainly don't deserve it. And of course, our topic, or rather our theme, remains back to your root. Back to your root. I refuse to change that theme. Because anything we are doing, if we cannot identify our suffering to who we are, then we are above all most miserable. Oh, they are killing us. Why are they killing us? Is it because we committed any crime? No, because we are Biafran. Oh, they are conspiring against us inside one Nigeria. Why are they doing that? Because they are afraid of us. Man fear that which they cannot understand. Today, I am very happy that Nigerians and the world at large will bear testament to the single fact that we defy this evil enclave called Nigeria. It doesn't matter. We have not started yet. Arrest them, shoot them, intimidate them. I think you killed one today in Aba. Nigerian police, you killed one today in Aba. You sealed up a church somewhere in Ebonyi State. But let me tell you, more bishops are coming up. More people are willing to die. But you will not write the agenda. All those things you are doing in Aba, you think it's for you to push us, and then we begin to panic, or we respond to you prematurely. No. We are the one who write the agenda, and all of you will follow. We know the truth. Many more will have to die. Many more will have to suffer, because it is natural. It is natural. Any nation that is not willing to pay necessary sacrifice should not expect freedom to come to them. For freedom is not given, it is taken. Against all odds, George Washington stood up against the evil British tyranny. And today, a lot of people are eating puff and indomie, not knowing that that city The foundation of that city was built on the blood of innocent men and women. And that is why it is written in their Declaration of Independence that time in and time out, the blood of the guilty and the innocent will be used to refresh the tree of liberty. We should be able to identify our suffering with who we are. As a Christian, you are suffering, and you cannot identify your suffering with the cross of Jesus, then you've not walked with him. That's why we always use that theme. Back to your root. Back to our root. And our topic this evening is discipline as the most effective weapon for security. You know, we are talking about security. You know, there is a book written by James Hadley Chase. He said the vulture is a patient bird. One of the book written by James Hadley Chase, he said the vulture is a patient bird. There are people coming out, they will ginger. You are gingering the swagger. Let's put Makosa for you. I don't want to mention you people's name. We want to defend Biafra land. We are going to defend. We are formidable. We want to pursue Fulani. We are going to defend Biafra. We are more and more. Look at you. You cannot. Nobody can command you. Nobody can rule you. But you want to rule over everybody, and you are the one coming to defend me. We watch all of honor. Maybe you may have been doing this in the time past, but this has gone beyond Rubicon. Anyhow, you want to speak the English. What we are experiencing now, Ojukwu didn't experience it. Ojukwu didn't have that privilege. And now look at the round table have been set before us. The Idoma man that wished to speak, to defend the Idoma people will have the privilege. So he said, Fik man, Anna man, Ibibio man. So it's Ugebu man, Ubobura man, so it's Bayasa man. And now, like King Otto and his 7 knights, we now sit on a round table. Your people are left out. That is your business. A day will come, you will wish you do what you're supposed to do. Those of you, Idoma Igala, in Nigerian army, all those of you in Nigerian army, you are following them doing who. We've been to the mountaintop for God's sake. But then who leads us? You want to lead people, but you can't take simple instruction. The highest form of security is being disciplined in the line of battle. There is war raging already. Don't deceive yourself about that. You can pretend for all we care. All of you are feeling it. There are things you don't know. If you know about this movement to restore Biafra, most of you will be panicking. Nigerian by now will be going into meeting by meeting to consider how they will let us go. Okay, munu fumenya. Okay, munu fumenya. We don't hear they talk. So I will say, hey, you're talking. Don't worry. My happiness is that there were times I personally was not happy with my people. Now, why is it nobody can talk? Everybody just keep quiet. When we talk, self, our voice cannot be heard, and the people around will even abandon us. Oh boy, I know deal. Then go kill you. But today, behold. They are not saying, oh, una do they talk. Let's move action. Go and look at the people asking you to move action. They can't even pay 500 monthly due. But very soon they will think, oh, we need action. These are criminals, we know them. Oh, we need action. Don't worry. It's going to rain. Don't worry. So people Boko Haram are having a feast day. And Nigerian army now will rob. They will say it's Boko Haram. Boko Haram will rob. They will say it's Nigerian army. They are having a feast day. They are enjoying everywhere. Winners Chapel. Holy Ghost fire is not pursuing Boko Haram because they are beginning to kidnap your pastor. They will kidnap all of you. Don't know what is coming for you. I love Boko Haram. Whoever they are, I love them because they look like the very, very, very seed which Nigerian government has sown. And it is going to be their destiny and their doom. Look at all of you. You are confessing. Even though most of you now, police will even intimidate you and say, don't say it's Fulani herdsmen. Don't say it's Miati Allah. Don't mention Boko Haram. Say it's bandit. But at the end of the day, even at gunpoint, majority of you now have been defiling it and say, let me tell you, those people are Fulanis. We must secure our land. That is certain. Let not your hearts be troubled. Let not your heart be troubled because we are here. Is it because we have spare life? No. Is it because we have... No. For any soldier to succeed, there must be discipline. I have heard people in this struggle who tell me, chain of command, command and chain of command. Go and ask those people. Common instruction they can't take. But they are the one trying to advocate chain of command. When I look at them, I just mock at all of you. And there are still some of them. They are still yapping. Hey, you have to follow. It's a chain of command of chain. Do you even know the definition of chain of command? When you look like you are on top, it's good to chain everybody and command them. But come and stay below so they chain and command you. You will see you are not disciplined and you are not supposed to be among us. And I know and I believe that one day we will march. That is when you people will see stuff you are not ready for. Because I personally, I will have to kill some Biafran soldiers before we go to that battle. Because I cannot turn my back and see people like that behind me. No. So if you are not disciplined, you are jumping up and down, ordinary discipline. Most of you don't pay your monthly due, but you know how to gossip to all IPOB principal officer in diaspora. Yeah, you are very wise. Don't worry. Number one, consider the indiscipline and the danger of those who profess chain of command. Yet, they want to follow back door because they feel they know who is who. I've seen many of them. My happiness today is that IPOB in Biafra land are listening to me and across the globe. I've never eaten tenkobo with anybody. And please, honestly, publish it if I have conspired with you to eat tenkobo in the name of Biafra. I've never done that. I've never gossiped anybody to become take anybody position. My intention was to hide, but sometimes you can't hide certain things. And so every post I have handled today, there is no post in IPOB. I have not worked in that office here in Biafra land, but yet I have noticed I didn't drag it with anybody. Our leader, Mazen Nandekano, gave me post, even without knowing me. And one day say, I want to see this man. Nobody takes a kingdom by words, but by action. But the most of you want to be chairman, you know who to meet. You are not eating chieftaincy. You are collecting chieftaincy title. Inside Biafra, we have not gotten. Don't worry. Don't worry. Discipline. When it comes to undo people, oh, that is when you know chain of command. Stay your department stay. Do you think in China, people who are working with immigration don't monitor what the police are doing? Of course, there is division of labor, but whether you divide the leg or the hand from the head, all of them are working for one purpose. Don't deceive yourself. We understand division of labor. But what is the essence of division of labor? If those division of labor is not geared towards making one whole body benefit from it. You have the body. In the body, you have the eye. You have the ear. You have the nose. You have the hand. You have the stomach. You have the tongue. You have the teeth. You have the foot. Now, these are different parts of the body. Your hand cannot swallow food for you. It has to go through your mouth. Your mouth cannot see for you. Your eye have to do that. And certainly, your mouth cannot hear for you. Your ear, that is the duty of your ear. And then for your body to move, your leg have to do his job. And now, parts of the body understand this perfectly. They don't drag themselves. You wake up in the morning, you want to talk. Your ear say, no, Nami go talk today, Nami go talk today. They make a parable in my language. And they will say, the mouth is meant to speak. If you use your nyash talk, you go disgrace yourself. Some people, they're going to talk. As you hold their mouth like this, their nyash will begin talk. You will disgrace yourself. God knows why he placed division of labor for all the body. But the truth cannot be overemphasized. Whether now you they talk, whether now you they swallow, whether now you they see, whether now you they waka, all of you are just one target. And that target is to make sure the body moves. It's healthy. Today, if you African rep, you be rep Africa, you be general overseer, you be overseer general, you be ogomon or genun or gochineke, whatever you are, everything we are doing here, geared to one thing alone, and that is Biafra must be restored. And may thunder fire anybody who thinks otherwise. Discipline. Discipline. It is the greatest weapon. We will work in coordinate. But we march as a disciplined soldier. You have no idea what we can achieve. Ordinary go to Aruchuku. You go to Aruchuku, you come back, you become your prerogative. How do they speak all this BB grammar self? And then you're not Shama defending. Where do you know to defend? Have you left your village before? Oh, okay, you're in diaspora. Before you went to diaspora, you don't come up for your community. Now you are defending us. Indiscipline is what is worrying you. But you think indiscipline is the one you read for school? No. Don't worry. Consider the indiscipline and the danger that they oppose. Some of them are running franchise already. Don't worry, I know who to call, and they are having their way. And tomorrow you will tell me and these people, make we stand for the same line to defend Biafra land. I go kill them first of all. Now decrease. So when you are doing what you are doing, reason very well, think very well. But must I love you to walk with you? Of course, no. It's natural. Let me digress. There are people you don't know. And the first time you're meeting them, you say, I love this guy. I love this guy. I don't know why. Honestly, you don't know why, but yet you love the guy. The same way you see somebody, you don't know the person, they've not done you anything. You now look at it and say, I hate this guy. I don't know why, but they've not done anything to you. It's natural. There are spiritual implications. And certainly those who understand this rule know that I don't need to love you to work with you. I just need to focus on the job and forget about the love. And love will only be. But I hope you will understand. Consider the indiscipline and the danger of those who feel that it has to be them because they are the richest or maybe because they are more educated. I listen to some people when they talk, you say, you know, I am a professor, I am a PhD, I am a HHB. Look at all the professors in Nigeria. Where is Nigeria today? All the intellectual in Nigeria. Where is Nigeria? Are you not ashamed to say you are in Nigeria? I watched a video online this morning, and somebody was in front of Donald Trump tour and was trying to video one man. Immediately he just say, I'm in Nigeria, and the man changed his chapter. I say, Nigeria, you people are evil. You are evil. Nigeria is on Yoshi. This Oyibo man was speaking Igbo. I was surprised. This guy videoing Oyibo, you want to tell the world that Americans don't know how to do it. The moment you call Nigeria, if you see this man was possessed, he starts speaking Igbo, American man. Oh, he won Nigeria. Oh, the Nigeria Bundioshi. The Nigeria. The guy was even laughing, but was ashamed to continue with the video. Mad people. We don't need intellectual. Where did he lead us to? We don't need intellectual to get Biafra. We don't need professor or bank account to get. We need simple discipline. Don't you see Awusa? Awusa, we can call Awusa Fulani anything. When they tell them to sit under gutter and watch us and monitor us, they are doing that. Go to their mosque. Today you have different branches of church, not because Holy Ghost sent you, because you can't obey simple instruction. So when my general overseer insult me, I get angry and I want to be general overseer. Of course, it's workshop, and I go and open my own workshop. Why are they not opening workshop for mosque? Because these people don't understand the value of discipline. When they get to the mosque there, one lunatic will stand ahead of them and he will think, Allah, Kwani Sinala. All of them will they naked on the ground. Allah, Puanara. All of them will begin to puara everywhere. Allah, the one in sin. All of them begin to eat in Shunam and in Shotikapa. But this man is not a professor. But Buhari, led Buhari, including S. Sudan, all of them will, because they understand discipline. That is why these people, without even going through primary one, kindergarten, they still maneuver us. Forget about they are getting aid from British government. Is it British government that is telling them how to do commit mayhem on our land? They're doing their job very well. Because they understand the need to work and coordinate. So when you are coming, oh, we got to defend our land, but for IPOB family, wherever you there, now you they cause problem there. We must understand that discipline is the highest weapon. We've gotten to a stage sometimes we feel like getting mad. We feel like getting mad. But of course, when we understand the need for discipline, what do? Who no go, no. If you pass this junction dey for front. Why don't you understand it? You call somebody now and say, go and monitor this Fulani herdsmen. The moment he reach the junction, he go now make call. Oh boy, are they also the junction? Are they monitor Fulani herdsmen? Who ask you? No, who asked you? He's a volunteer. Yes, he's a defender. Biafran defender terrorist. Yes, Biafran murderer squad. Hey, who asked you? One Fulani will just carry one cow. Stay in your junction and be looking at you. You'll be doing what you are doing, be looking at you. Then they hear English, you. But you go speak English for Ango, they look you. Where you do. You go say, kill me, make her die. I know you are for English. He hear everything where you talk. He has a mission. He focus on that mission. And now what am I saying in effect? Biafrans, this is the time we do on the line of discipline. On the line of discipline. This rain will fall. Make no mistake about it. It's just that it's not the way people think it will happen. For God himself is the one who decide our way. So whatever you are planning, whatever you are doing, whatever you tend to do, please don't forget that discipline as members of IPOB, discipline as Biafrans, discipline as the children of God is what will give us the ultimate victory that we desire and we long for. But outside that, make no mistake about that. Nobody can stop Biafra. And this is the simple truth that everybody must acknowledge and observe. I'll be back in a minute.
Biafra in London, Biafra in Germany, Biafra everywhere. Biafra in Russia, Biafra in Malaysia, everybody likes it. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. But somebody said to all the IPOB, respect the leader of indigenous people. Nobody can stop Biafra. I say nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. You can tell the leader of Biafra. You can kill the people of Biafra, but never change their decision. Every time I play this about Babylon, I wish me every day. Every time I sing this about Babylon, I wish me every day. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Biafra in bedroom, Biafra in bathroom, Biafra everywhere. Biafra in jail, Biafra in church, everybody likes it. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. I told you. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Obama.
Yes, sir, we must continue. My lines will be open temporarily. 1 or 2 call, this segment will be over. Our WhatsApp line, which is 070815456. I repeat again, our WhatsApp line, which is 07081545642 is open. The WhatsApp line again is 07081545642. And our direct line, which is 081-221-52971. Our direct line, which is 081-221-52971. They're both open and you are free to call. Believe me, our people are being killed ruthlessly for no reason. Don't let your heart trouble. And as a brave soldier that you are, because I believe every born Biafran, they are soldier. Make no mistake with your life. Do not be careless with your life, because in the end, every life of Biafran counts. Make no mistake about that. At the right time, we will respond to these people. But until then, be disciplined. Call on WhatsApp. Are you there?
Yes, I'm hearing you, sir.
Yes, go ahead, please. Good evening from here. Your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, good evening, watching. My name is Reze Chukwu Victory Ahonanya. I am calling from Rabat, Morocco. Mazi Ohe Biafra. I'm calling you in the respect of all these boys that our people say that if breeze blow, we know that father is wearing trouser. You understand? I was just seeing his post, seeing his lamenting. I say, yes, this is your true color. He has bring out his true colors. You understand? And we have known, even the world at large, the masses, the Biafrans has known that yes, this is who this guy truly is, he truly is. Because it's a time like this that we will know who is who and who is stabbing us at the back. And what I want to announce to everybody and every IPOB member and Biafrans worldwide and friends of Biafra is, if it is not IPOB, it can be like IPOB. And every person that is hiding under the umbrella of this struggle to take glory all to himself. Because just like our deputy made a statement about Sowore of trying to take the glory of what we have labored for. So anybody that thinks that he can come up from the side now and talk about Biafra and talk about to restore Biafra, I think that where have them been all this while? That's what I keep asking them. Where have you people been all this while? And for the fact that you people have never risen until our leader come forth, all of you have to follow suit, or you leave the IPOB and do your own. So now you have really do a great job to expose these people. at least I am matala their true color. Their true color. That's just why I call this evening. Like the program you did 3 days ago, you say unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Those are the
unbelievable
words of for honestly. It's unbelievable. A lot of people even coming to look at that boy. A lot of people are calling me, he's our man. Hey, don't leave him. Who is your man, Kai? Who is your man according to Yoruba? Who is your man? Who is your enemy? We must understand what it means, discipline. Discipline. You don't know we are in a battlefront already, and then may God have mercy on you. Go to our bars who are speaking, and the coordinators in our bar must make sure that everybody is calm. Let them kill the people they have to kill. This is their time. But in the end, oh, of course, Africa have a long way to go. We have a long way to go. But let's start from somewhere. You are a policeman. Is it Ogogoro you took? Is it a Kakai or Tramadol? What did you take? Is it the Kake that is shocking you? Don't worry. Don't worry. Like I said, we will not be taking much call on this segment, so we can go to the next one. Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on the line, are you there? Of course, that should be Zoo Epileptic Network. Our people must be disciplined. And that is the words of Mazi Obidi. Ihue sunume menoya. Ihue sunume menoya. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, your name and where are you calling from?
This is Sweet Kevin from Cross River. Hello?
Go ahead, please. The world is listening.
Okay. We are not receiving Radio Biafra directly to our radio signal. And another thing is that I'm hearing that they are foolishly organizing the Ndioshi are foolishly organizing an interview on Radio Biafra International. And in fact, I don't care with that one. They are just doing their nonsense. All I'm after is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Thank you.
God bless you. It is simple. That is the discipline we are seeing. Discipline. Who is Radio Buhari? These are the people who were telling us, chain of command, command and chain. We got to chain you. You don't reach them to chain now. Then no one made them chain them. You see? And these are the same people who want to march with me. All of you exhibit your stupidity. Our leader said this is the time we leave the door open. Let the enemy show themselves. In those days, we cannot talk. Oh, you have to be chained. Chain yourself. As we command you, chain yourself. Only one chain now. Only one command now. You know if you chain yourself. This is discipline. He who must be the leader of you all must be the servant. He that must be the commander must be willing to be commanded. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? I know these lines are being hacked, and hopefully any moment from now they will be changed. But it's to be expected. So we're expecting it anyway. But they came late, that is just the truth. They came late. And at the right time, they will give way. When it's time for the sun to rise, they will give way. And so, Biafrans, wherever you are, don't let anybody deceive you. Are you there, caller?
Yeah, Father, good evening.
Good evening from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I'm calling from Onisha. My name is Mekoka from Onisha, and I'm going to take Biafra land.
Go ahead, please.
Hello.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. I would like to use my direct language.
of course, the Sinsu Epileptic Network. But then we will be drawing the curtain for this segment. Biafrans, wherever you are all over the world, a word is enough for a wise. These Fulanis are disciplined. They are disciplined to the essence that they don't look at who is who. When it comes to coordinating themselves, working in a coordinating manner to kill us, they do it perfectly. And we can't do this also. This is not the time to speak with the both sides of your mouth. This is the time to look for IPOB family and join and stop deceiving yourself. If you cannot join, you must have a genuine reason. And I know every coordinator knows what to do. Because what we are looking for is freedom, nothing more, nothing less. I don't want to be governor of Biafra land. I don't want to be anything in Biafra land. In fact, I know Biafra will come and in our lifetime. The moment Biafra come, pam, I could run go Saudi Arabia or Yugoslavia. Because some of you are, so HMFA will be vice president. So the moment they announce Biafra, they just kill them first. Me, I don't run. Once they announce Biafra, I don't turn to Awosa run come out. So that Ndiojo can expose themselves for proper Biafra nation to emerge. But I don't blame you. Having lived in this corrupt entity called Nigeria, it's God's mercy that we are still here today. You still have righteous men and women who can defend our land. Who would have believed that somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who exists in a current day Nigeria like this, who would have believed that somebody like Mazi Chimefo will not allow this platform to be sued? Unbelievable. But at the right time, they will let us go. It is not with their eye, but they will let us go. I'll be back in a minute.
Pharaoh rapondimo kala, Pharaoh rapondimo kala, ejimo baraku bonjo. Pharaoh rapondimo kala, Pharaoh rapondimo kala, kala, Pharaoh rapondimo kala, ejimo baraku bonjo. Pharaoh rapondimo kala. Ebuabo otum Israel series in the Egypt rep. Chineke wene hammer. Awebuabo mawela. Sitana ligi. Pharaoh rapondimo kala, kala. Pharaoh rapondimo kala. Ejimo baraku bonjo. Pharaoh rapondimo kala, Pharaoh rapondimo kala, kala, Pharaoh rapondimo kala, ejimo baraku bonjo. Pharaoh rapondimo kala. Chineke gara obodo ndọrọna emekụọ gị isi okwu ebe ahụ ka ha nọrọ ọtụtụ arọ ha. Ụmụ Chineke gara obodo ndọrọna emekụọ gị isi okwu ebe ahụ ka ha nọrọ ọtụtụ arọ ha. Ọ dịghị onye chọrọ ikwuru ọnụ, ọ dịghị onye nụrụ akwa ha n'ebe ewe na-emeghị ha na-eme ozu nwụrụ anwụ. Ọ dịghị onye chọrọ ikwuru ọnụ, ọkacha ewe n'iwe, ọ dịghị onye nụrụ akwa ha n'ebe na-emeghị ha na-eme ozu nwụrụ anwụ. Chineke nke eluigwe nechara ha anya nye ha ezi nkwado. Moses gwara m Fero okwu, Fero rapụ ndị m ụkala. Jehova nke eluigwe nechara ha anya nye ha ezi nkwado. Moses gwara m Fero okwu, si Fero rapụ ndị m ụkala.